Hi kids, just a quick one. So as you know, the door check strap constantly fell, and there's a nylon part, and you can see that it's cracked here, and it eventually it'll rip out there. But my customer here has done something rather clever, which is just to put some washers there that act as a door stop. Now, most people, that wouldn't be enough for most people, but hey, you know, most people aren't as wide as me. But you could machine that down or otherwise play around with it and make something fancy. I don't know, thought that was very clever. Acts as the stop. It's just a stop. Oh, and there's one I see he's got one at the top as well. Very clever. I like it. Carry on. She's a goddamn lovely man. She's a lovely